Ultra Sun Technologies presents Total Air Purification by Sun Pure products, featuring ultraviolet air disinfection, high-efficiency particle reduction, and photocatalytic chemical and odor reduction. Introducing the portable Sun Pure SP20C catalytic air purifier for residential homes, apartments, retirement homes, offices, medical clinics, and any application where central air handling is not available or cost-effective. The portable SP20C can maintain high-quality air standards in room sizes up to 1,000 square feet. Also introducing the duct-mounted SP200 catalytic air purifier, designed for central air cleaning applications, available for any HVAC system up to 5 tons of capacity. The SP200 can maintain high-quality air standards in areas up to 3,000 square feet. Air pollution. It is with us 24 hours a day and the byproduct of being one of the world's most successful industrialized countries. Once considered to be a localized phenomena of congested major cities, air pollution is now a global problem. Air pollution from China and other developing countries now reaches the United States within days. Studies by the University of California, Berkeley find that as air pollution levels go up in the Los Angeles basin, so do admissions to area hospitals. Tiny particles and ozone get most of the blame. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, tests on animals and occupational exposure suggest strong evidence that diesel exhaust may be a cancer risk to humans. Children are getting asthma at more than double the rate of 2 decades ago. While researchers don't know precisely why childhood asthma is increasing, a number of factors in air quality, both indoors and outdoors, have been studied. Chemicals from automobiles and industry pose health hazards from 10 to 100 times the acceptable risk, according to an EPA report. Bad air has been linked to heart attacks. High levels of air pollution consisting of tiny particles, 2.5 microns in size and smaller, may trigger heart attacks in at-risk people exposed for even a short time, a study has found. Where do all these particles come from? Automobile brake linings wearing out. As well, small particles from wear on rubber tires and burned oil account for a large portion of these microscopic particles. Molds and toxic emissions are polluting our sealed-up homes in ways that are surprising even researchers, making air quality indoors 2 to 5 times worse than it is outside. In addition to possible health problems, it is now known that volatile organic hydrocarbons, chemical fumes, can combine with water vapor, creating formic acid, causing evaporator coil corrosion and pinhole leaks. Dirty air also affects the performance of any HVAC system by lowering efficiency while increasing operating cost. Here, a clogged air conditioning evaporator coil loses cooling efficiency while increasing electrical bills. In order to choose the correct method of dealing with poor indoor air quality, it's helpful to understand the 3 classes of indoor air contamination. First, particulates. These are small solid particles that range in size from 0.3 to 10 microns. They consist of soot, lung-damaging dust, pollen, mold, and fungal spores, and many others. These small particles are best removed by high-efficiency mechanical particle filters or electronic air cleaners. Secondly, microorganisms. Disease-causing germs consisting primarily of bacteria and viruses. These microbes vary in size from 2 microns to as small as 0.001 microns in size. Because of their small size, germicidal ultraviolet radiation is the accepted method for disinfecting indoor air of microorganisms. Finally, gas phase chemicals, fumes, and odors. This type of air pollution consists of volatile organic hydrocarbons, usually liquid chemicals that will easily evaporate in the air at room temperature. Being as small as a gas molecule, these toxic compounds must be absorbed by carbon filters or destroyed by photocatalytic technology. Here are a few examples of particulates and the associated health problems. High levels of small particles may be responsible for causing asthma, emphysema, lung disease, allergies, sinus problems, mold, and fungal infections. Microorganisms are spread by people and take a free ride through every room connected to a central HVAC system. These tiny bugs are the primary cause of pulmonary lung disease such as influenza, Legionella, and tuberculosis. Gas phase chemicals, fumes, and odors invade our living and working environment from paint solvents, automobile exhaust, ozone, and cleaning and industrial chemicals. Combustion byproducts from furnace and cooking appliances may produce carbon monoxide, NOx, methane, and propane. Outgassing from construction materials such as carpets, particle board, and foam insulation add to this mix of toxic air pollutants. It is believed that these chemical fumes cause headaches, dizziness, irritation of the eye, nose, and throat, and fatigue.